I'm just using some of this Turtle Wax trim restorer just to restore the blackness of my few of my trim pieces. I'm just going to put it on pretty thick, just let it soak in for a few hours before I wipe it off again. So you might have been able to see in that previous clip that even where I put the trim restorer on, there was still some uneven colour. It appears there's a bit of oil or something, oil splattered and bits on there. So I've just gone over the whole thing with some wax and grease remover, just get any grease and dirt and crap out of it, so it's just an even colour all the way through before I put a whole lot of trim restore all over it, because it seemed to come through, the oil patches seem to come through even after the trim restorer, so you should make it a whole lot even. So just finished doing that, and then I'll chuck the trim restorer on it. There we go, that's a lot more even. That's going a lot more even. It's nice and black, got rid of those oil stain marks. Look at that. That's what you want to trim your trims to look like. Now, how much better does that look? All black, all shiny. I'll just leave it to soak in for a bit and wipe it off with a clean, dry microfiber towel, but it's looking a lot better. So I'm also doing the trim panels underneath the window wipers, and look at this, coming out beautiful. So shiny, so black. I mean, it won't be quite as shiny and black once I wipe it all off, but it'll still be so much better than what it was. It was a little bit grey and oxidised, but now it's going to be nice and black again. There we go, they're looking heaps better. So after putting a thick, generous coating of the trim restorer, left it overnight to soak in, and now just gently wipe it off, and this gives that beautiful black, natural plastic look. It's beautiful.